off to the next cache.
Are you ready?
Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? I'm in Tallahassee, Florida, looking for a bunch of caches in the swamp. Let's see what kind of caches we find. Here we go. Welcome, we're at another cache. I am at another cache. This is a Gadget Cache. There's a lock here. I'm with my friend. They don't want to be on camera. Anyways, I have to figure out how to open this. And the cache page says the combination on it. Look at that. They weren't lying. It's been unlocked. Checkered flag. There's a pink car. Pink Cadillac. Pink something. All right. The moment of truth.
It's amazing.
Ha! Amazing. I see what you did there.
There's instructions for it.
Oh. There's instructions over here.
Right there was the snake.
I completely missed the instructions. 400 feet to go down the sandy trail. Florida is known for its sand hiking trails. Found it. Ammo box in the woods. Just sitting out in the middle of nowhere. Oh boy. Okay. We've got a geocache, logbook, football, 50 feet, 43. I see it. That's a big ammo can. Well, there's a really cool pink Cadillac. Let's take a look. Rumor has it there is a geocache in here. Oh, I see it. Let's go grab it. Do you really think it's gonna be that easy? Probably not, but let's go look. Ta-da! Oh, well, let's see what's inside of it. Hold on, there's a skull over here.
Nothing to it. Logbook. Spider-Man puzzle. A God's eye. Pen. Some sort of baseball. Golf key. Pencil.
They say that everything is bigger in Texas, but I don't think the pine cones are bigger in Texas. Look at the size of this pine cone. It's massive. Off to the next cache. I got the key right here, and now I gotta put it in here. Let's see if I can do it. All right, turn it, got it. Flip it off, and behind door number 1. That one I was looking for it. All I want is to put the other one.
That should be inside the container.
Ta-da! But don't worry, an experienced cacher like me never has a pen. So I don't even have a pen. Let's see if there's one in here. There's not a pen in the box. All right guys, Uncle Sam behind me seems like a great place to wrap up this adventure video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Social media links are in the description, and I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.